We're in beautiful Ann Arbor today, and we're going to be going grocery shopping. That's Sam for Big Food, Little Kitchen. Taking a detour, we're going to Moe's. Hey Sam, what does a Mexican cow say?
Mo.
Are you happy? Yours is bigger than mine.
That's typical. One thing about that lens kit.
The random weird ones? I don't think they're that funny. I like the political ones. You love shopping. Let's fill up that cart. So many good things. Oh, thanks. Oh, actually, they're not a bad price. This looks okay.
Try it out. You're gonna watch this tape and you're gonna hear me singing that song the whole time. That's all I'm thinking.
I'll edit that out.
Hi, can I have a half pound of turkey?
Stucky mushroom.
$1.
I know.
That's awesome. I should get two. They don't go bad, right?
We don't need them though.
I like them.
I mean, we don't eat enough. I'm saying. Are you happy with what you bought?
A lot of stuff.
We got some pistachios.
Oh man, she's hot.
Then I'll start this character. I think it's enough for fish sticks. I think it's enough.
Start making pies. My shoes. You look like such a...
I do?
No, I do.
You don't look like
Walking around with a freaking video camera.
I think you look good with it. Two of them?
Oh, I see one.
You're right, we probably should have just kept up here.
I know.
Man, I wish there was corn in the car. Where's that option?
You got fish?
Got fish. Yo, those small.
Me and you giving smiley faces and thumbs up to the camera.
This thing is sweet. Look at this.